In this video, I'll guide you through how to chat with files in Google Drive using Gemini. This is a really useful feature if you work with long documents, reports, or PDFs and want quick answers without reading everything from top to bottom. I'll walk you through exactly what you need to do, and along the way, I'll share some tips so you can get the best results. First, start by opening Google Drive in your browser. Make sure you're signed in to the correct Google account, ideally the one where your work or study files are stored. Once Drive is open, you'll see your usual list of folders and files, just like you normally do. This is the same interface you already use to upload, organize, and manage your documents. Next, you'll need to choose a file that works with Gemini. This feature supports common file types like Google Docs and many PDFs. Look through your Drive and click on a document or PDF that you want to analyze. For example, you might pick a long report, a research paper, a contract, or a project brief. When you click the file, it will open in a new tab or window using Google's built-in viewer or editor. Once your file is open, take a look at the right-hand side of the screen. You should see a vertical panel with small icons. One of these is the Gemini panel. It may look like an icon representing the Gemini assistant, usually near other tools like Calendar or Keep. Click that Gemini icon to open the panel. If you don't see it right away, make sure your browser window is maximized and check that you're using a supported account and region where Gemini is available. After the Gemini panel opens, you'll see a chat style box where you can type. This is where the real power comes in. You can now start asking questions directly about the content of the file you have open. For example, you might ask Gemini to summarize the document so you can quickly understand the main points. You could ask it to explain a complex section in simpler language, or to pull out key dates, names, or figures that you need for your work. You're not limited to just one type of question. You can ask it to extract important bullet points and then refine that into a clearer explanation, or ask follow-up questions based on what it just told you. Because Gemini is working with the file that's open, it can stay focused on that content. If something isn't clear, try rephrasing your question or being more specific, like asking for a 2-sentence summary of the conclusion or the 3 main arguments in this section. As you interact, Gemini will analyze the file and provide responses right in that side panel. You'll see its answers appear as messages in the chat. You can scroll up and down through the conversation, copy text you want to use elsewhere, and adjust your prompts as you go. Think of it as having an assistant sitting next to you, reading the document and answering whatever you want to know about it. That's all there is to it. Open Google Drive, pick a supported file, open the Gemini panel on the right, ask your questions, and let Gemini analyze the file and respond. Once you get used to it, chatting with your files in Drive can save a lot of time and help you understand complex content more quickly.